Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin today's video, I want to tell you guys a little bit about TeeChip, as well as thank them for sponsoring this video. Thank you, love you so much. TeeChip is this super cool place with a ton of high quality and unique items for literally almost anything you can think of. Phone cases, t-shirts, hoodies, drawstring backpacks, posters, mugs. They've got like literally anything. The list goes like on and on. There's pages and pages of all this really cool, like just random stuff. I even was like looking through the website and looking for things for myself, and saw a bunch of things that I thought would be like really good, like small gifts for some friends and family. Just like those random little just because gifts, or when you can't really think of a gift to get somebody, get them something from here. Here's some of the things that I got for myself though on the website. I got this really cool Leo t-shirt. I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty dope. I also got this really cute little mug because I love mugs, who doesn't? It says body, mind, and soul. I kind of got them to like match each other, you know, body, mind, soul of a Leo. I also got this really cute hoodie. It's a black hoodie with a little hand, and she has red nails and she's holding a little mascara wand. And I thought that was very fitting for me and my channel. I really like these. The shirt's super comfortable, and I love drinking like tea and hot chocolate out of this just because, you know, what a vibe, right? So you guys know how like out of it I can be with basically anything at all. And what makes this whole thing better is TeeChip's super fast, simple, and easy ordering process. I saw what I wanted, put it in my cart, checked out, I had it was mine, and that was it. Like, it was actually just really simple. It's always like really relieving when buying things or ordering things online. Please know that TeeChip is not a destination to create merchandise. There's nothing really customizable because they already have so many things that you don't even need it. They have everything. And I'll leave a link in the video description down below so you can get like a cool shirt and match with me, or a really cool mug. Literally guys, they have so much stuff. Check out TeeChip and find some really cute things of your own, just like I did. Now back to the video. Wow, I look really pale. Look how white I look in this. I look almost the same shade as the light. I swear I don't look this pale off camera. Hey everybody, welcome back to my video. For this video, I thought it would be fun to try out a bunch of viral TikTok makeup hacks or makeup trends or whatever. I have two in mind that I'm gonna try, and yeah, one of them is so I'm a little bit nervous to actually do my makeup in that specific order because, you know, everybody's used to moisturizer first, then primer, then foundation, concealer, and then setting spray. So I don't really know how it's gonna be with powder and then setting spray or whatever she said. So yeah, that's what we're here to try out, see if it really works and see if I do not need that beauty filter on. The moisturizer I'm using is the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. So the translucent powder I'll be using is Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Powder, translucent powder. I do not have the Fit Me powder. I don't normally use that one, and I didn't really go out to get it. This feels weird putting on translucent powder before primer, but we're just gonna brush it on. After the setting powder comes the setting spray. She says she uses the NYX setting spray, I think, but she said you can use any. The setting spray I have is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and that's what I'm gonna do right now, and then we wait for it to dry. So the setting spray is completely dried. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my primer, and I wanted to try out these Nars products really bad, so I got some of these recently. So these are the products I'll pretty much be testing out with this tutorial. If it doesn't work out, then I'm still gonna try them out like without this little hack. The primer I'm using is the Nars Radiance Primer with SPF 35. This primer definitely gives you a nice little glow too. The person at Ulta told me that Nars is actually made to be applied with your fingers more to get a better like turnout or whatever. So I thought that was really interesting, because if you saw like my redoing my high school makeup video, I used to always apply my makeup with my fingers, and I always thought like foundation spread better and everything spread better when I used my hands. So I thought that was a really cool like thing to learn. I love the smell of sunscreen. I don't know if I'm weird for that. Next up is foundation, and the foundation I got from Nars as well. The Nars Sheer Glow foundation, and I got the shade Duvel Sheer Glow Light 4. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that everywhere. I'm gonna take my brush here and the man who recommended this foundation to me said it's also very buildable, because normally I prefer, you know, more full coverage foundations. For everyday use, something a little more medium coverage would be more ideal for me. So I thought, you know, it'd be good for everyday or any kind of use really, because I can build it if I want a more full coverage, and then for everyday just apply like a thinner layer. But I'm gonna go for a more full coverage look. I mean, and so far it looks like it's applying like pretty nicely with even with the setting powder underneath it, which is like surprising. I'm also gonna take this IT Cosmetics brush and blend this out. And the concealer I'll be using is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. So, and this is in the shade Light 2.4 Cafe au Lait. It's not focusing, oh well. To blend out my concealer, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe sponge and obviously just blend that out. Now I have everything blended out, and so far, so good. Like, it looks pretty flawless. Aside from feeling, it does feel a little more dry than normal. And she didn't really in the video specify what to do after your foundation, so I'm just gonna continue my routine like normal and then see how it all looks together with another coat of setting spray on top. Baking. Having to move my big oops to do my makeup is a mood. All right, so now my face is completely set, and so far this is what it looks like. I don't know how good the quality looks on camera, but we'll see when I edit. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then we'll move on to the next makeup hack for my lips. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like speed through this next process because this video isn't about that. I do have to say, I do feel a little more dry than normal, but I'm pretty pleased with it. I don't really think it does much of a difference from how I would normally apply my makeup, but I do feel like maybe a little bit more airbrushed, but not as big as a difference as I was hoping for, if that makes sense. The battery was just full. My battery was just full and now my camera's about to die. What the heck just happened? Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna charge my battery for a little bit while I do the rest of my face before we go on to the next hack. Excuse me for that, I'm sorry, was not planning on that. I guess this ghost does not really want me to film this. Okay, so I just completed my full face look, and this is what it looks like. I'm actually pretty surprised with that routine. So I would say the first hack definitely works. Now we're gonna move on to the second hack, and I swore I saved the video of the second hack and I swore I liked it on TikTok, but I can't find it anywhere in my phone. So we're just gonna do something else. I found a different video to use. This is the one right here, so I'll play that right now. First, she says to moisturize with chapstick, Vaseline, and I have a Vaseline Rosy Lips Therapy that I'm going to use. Okay, so that's on, so now I'm gonna let that kind of like dry a little bit. So, oh, this one's about to die too. I'm gonna try and get through this as fast as I can. So she says to overline your bottom lip and on top of your Cupid's bow. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'm just gonna... Okay, my camera died. Yeah, the other battery I found didn't last as long as I hoped. So now I'm sorry for the quality downgrade. I have to film on my phone and for so I'm able to finish this video because I have no idea. I lost my camera charger again. So we're just gonna continue, like, we're just gonna pretend that the quality is just as good. I'm so sorry. Video. So after that, I have to grab a shade that's close to my natural lip color. So the closest one I have is probably this Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in Nathan. So I'm gonna try that and see how that goes. It is a matte lipstick. She didn't really specify what kind of lipstick to use, so I'm just using the one I have that's close to my lip color. Definitely not the closest to my lip color, but and then next, she says to take a plumping clear lip gloss and put that over. And she didn't say what lip gloss to use, so I just found the first one I saw. I just grabbed the first one I saw. And I grabbed the Filler Instinct, the NYX Filler Instinct Clear Lip Gloss. I have no idea if this one's good or not, but we're gonna do it. This one is called Let's Glaze. All right, doesn't have a smell, but so yeah, this is, I wouldn't say this really did much. This really had much of a difference. I really wasn't expecting this one to, but I don't really feel any different from when I normally overline my lips with like a darker liner and then a lighter lipstick. So I wouldn't say this hack really worked as well. You can try it out and see if it works for you, but for me, I definitely prefer the first hack because can we just appreciate like this soft like finish right now? Like, wow, airbrush. That is gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.